Welcome to Brain Vision.
Hi everybody. So we have a house that has 960 watts of electric power. And we want to know determine the fuel that would have to be used in a year to supply the electrical needs of this house. And we're also given this equation, this reaction, there we go. We have the two deuteriums and the helium. Okay, and we have the number of reactions is N equals power times time over energy, okay? And we also have M, F, and this is the minimum amount of deuterium fuel, which is equals 2 times N times the mass of deuterium. And we can plug this in. So we have 2 P T over E times N P. Okay? So now I'm just going to plug in the information that we have. So we have 2 times 960 watts. And we need to convert this to joules per second. Okay. And we have a time of 1 year. And we're going to times this by seconds. So 3.15, 36 times 10 to the 7th second, or we can just put as S, there we go, year, okay, over this thing, and we have 3.27 MeV, and we're timesing this by 1.6 times 10 to the negative 22. There we go. Negative 22 joules over MeV. Okay. And now let's put the MED of the mass of deuterium, and we have I'm just going to put little brackets here. 3.35 times 10 to negative 27 kilograms. Okay. And now you're just going to go here, and we're going to put everything into our calculator. And after we do that, and before we do that, let's do the signs for you guys. So that way we can use that. So we have years taken off. We have watts taken off. We have MeV taken off. And this becomes, we have the joules per second. So we end up with the joules second up here, and then we have joules down here, times this kilograms, and we see how this all cancels out in these kilograms. So your answer should be in kilograms. Okay, so after we plug in all that into our calculator, you should get 0.0038760 kilograms, or you can get, if you put this into grams, so this is your kilogram answer. Okay. Okay.